Hello, America. This is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming at you with some more wonderful information. Welcome to 2023. The double deuce is over, thank God. We're going to come at you as, can I add an ice maker to my freezer in my French door fridge that has an ice maker in the door? The simple answer is most manufacturers no, one manufacturer pretty much yes. What I mean by that is GE is about the only manufacturer out there that makes the ice maker adapter for the freezer ice maker. What I mean by that is this is a different manufacturer, this is a GE. You see this thing right here? This is on almost every single GE French door fridge. This is so you can add an ice maker. They already know this, okay? This is a different manufacturer's and you don't have the access built into it, okay? The kit for GE actually has a different water valve, the whole 9 yards. Yes, you can do it at home. It is kind of a pain, but it is doable. But for the most part, if you want an ice maker in your freezer and in your door, most manufacturers, you have to buy a specific model. GE's pretty much, almost all of them, you can add one to it. So if you want more than the normal ice maker ice that comes in the door, you're gonna want to think about getting the manufacturer that makes it specifically for that. I'm not saying GE is better, I'm not saying GE is worse, but it is one of the things that GE does that most manufacturers don't. So do your research, do your due diligence, and you can figure out if you need more ice. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and have a wonderful day. Hello, America. This is Keith, your friendly neighborhood electrician. Start over. Retake.